Hey, what's up, YouTubers? This is Nino, and welcome back to Nino Tutorials. So today I'm going to be talking about Wix Strips, okay? So you want to go over here to this add button. You want to come all the way down to this strip button, okay? All of these strips Wix has come up with to satisfy our needs. So if we need an about strip, boom, they got it. If you want a contact strip, boom, you got it. A welcome strip, you have services strips, team strips, testimonial strips, and then you have classic strips, which you can get customizable with also. I'm going to choose a classic strip. So here we have 3 things that we can do to this strip, as well as a little bit of help by Wix. I really like this little help button. It definitely saves time for beginners that don't know about Wix. They can just click this help and it's easy enough to navigate to what you want to do with this strip. Or if you just don't know about a strip, that's why you're here at this video. So we can change the background of a strip right here. We can change the color. We can change the image. We can change the video. All of these things are upon you as a user, however you want to get creative. I usually tend to go with the color because it's just basic and simple. But definitely get creative with this, guys. This is where your creativity comes into play. Here you have layouts. So in the strip layouts, you can add columns. And adding columns will make it more structured and more organized for people that are users coming onto your website to make sure that, things are in the right spot. It looks good, it looks neat, it looks organized. So you can left align those, you can center those, or you can put those to the right. Another thing is you can stretch it. So if you want to just keep it to a page, go ahead and shrink that down to a page. And like I said before, you guys can just be creative. However creative you want to get is up to you, but I think that all these options that Wix give you is great options, especially when you're a beginner, like I said before. So that's pretty much about it about strips. Now, I will go more in detail about strips later on down the road of tutorials, but this was just a quick tutorial to get you guys on the right track about strips. All right, if you guys have any type of comments, hit that like button, comment below. Tell me what you think about Wix. Tell me what you think about Wix Strips. And just subscribe if you guys want to. I mean, I would love for you guys to subscribe. I would definitely get more tutorials out for you every week. So I'm Nino with Nino Tutorials, and let me know what you want in the comments. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.